guys, it's Kayne and welcome back to my channel. So, I hope that you could hear me well kasi umuulan. So, may mga background noise something. And for today's video, I will show you how I will show you how I will have For today's video, I will show you the first day of my prep or preparation for NMAT or the National Medical Admission Test. So marami nagtatanong sa akin if required pa rin daw ba yung mga leapmed students na mag-take ng NMAT. Well, required siya, and as far as I know, requirement siya yung NMAT scores para makapasok sa med school na prefer mo. So ayun, for our program, iti-take namin siya while we are on our second year, and yung schedule na pinili ko is January 20 kasi 21 yung first day of our second sem. So gusto ko pa rin ma-maximize yung time na pwede ko ipag-prepare. But still, I have less than 3 weeks left. Parang mga 2 weeks and 3 days na lang. So, sobrang tight na nung schedule na pwede kong gawin or pagsisiksikan nung I really do not have much time. So, hindi na rin ako nag-e-expect ng sobrang mataas na score. Parang gusto ko lang sarili ko na walang regrets and all, na hindi ako nag-prepare ng maayos, na naging lax ako, ganyan. And ayun, I had anxieties about this kasi nakikita ko yung mga fellow peeps na mag-NMAT din, like how they are preparing, ganyan, and feeling ko I'm being left behind. So, ayun. Pero still, I think I should just do what I have to do and just do my best. And, ayun. Wish me and my classmates and my batchmates and all the people who would take the exam luck and good scores. after eating my breakfast, I immediately started to prepare. Kasi ito talaga yung first day na I will do something na may kinalaman sa NMAT. And sobrang wala akong idea. Like, I don't know people who could personally tell me or share with me yung mga stuff na kailangan ko malaman, like techniques and how should I start and all. So, ayun, I feel like I'm a blank slate. So, I should really gather information for me to start properly. So, yun, aside from reading the general info, I also watched videos, YouTube videos from vloggers na medical students and doctors. Of course, sila Doc Aura, sila Doc Grace, Doc Faith. Ayun, you could also visit their YouTube channel and they did really help me a lot. Ayun, right now, I just finished downloading learning materials and organizing them. I also already made the schedule, and of course, I will try my best to follow this schedule kasi sobrang tight na talaga and wala na akong choice kundi siksik sila sa konting araw. So, ayun. Naglaan lang ako ng 3 days per subject, both sa part 1 and part 2 na subjects since I really don't have much time. So, yeah, I'm just gonna squeeze them sa mga days na given. Part 1 subjects for the morning, tas yung mga part 2 sa hapon. And inuna ko yung mga majors na na-enjoy ko. Then sa latter part ng sched, yung mga nahihirapan ako, especially physics. Later, I will just take the practice test and ulitin ko yung test the day before the NMAT. So, ayun, before I end the video, I will just show you some clips I took during our holiday celebrations, especially the Christmas Eve. Since back to normal na naman, I also want to save here some stuff that are far from school and hectic things. And ayun, it has been a great year with you all. It's mine. Me, paano so? Wow! Ano ka? Pugi talaga na ang baby.
Yeah? Diba, bibicture tayo.
You want to?
Parang maganda ang iyong makeup, bakit hindi? Talaga sinabantahin mo ano?
Hindi ah.
Hindi pa naman, di ba maganda ang iyong gagawin? Ano ba ginamit mo? Makeup.
Makeup ko.
Ginamit ko sa ano? Kontrabida mo yan.
Mami, ano mo ba't pa napapagitag ka sarili mo?
Kasi maganda ka. Hindi ka alam ba, ang ganda mo kung tumida-tumid yan.
Masyado kang makaluma. Ganda nga pag short hair.
Dati pa yun, hindi na ito uso.
Kilahin mo nga din ako. Hindi ako marunong.
Sabi, ang ganda mo daw, sabi ni baby. Tapos sabi ko, how about me? Tatlo na tayo magaganda. Pero ang ganda mo daw.
Sabi ko din siya sa akin eh, you look like Ate Kayne. This is what I use, Mom. Me.
Nagulo ko, nakaloko. Hindi ko naalala. Ay, lumana rin siya kung nagagawin.
What? What?
Look at my shoes.
Wow! Look at my socks.
I have socks. And I have socks and shoes. What? I'll get great.
Hi guys! Ang aking mommy, and ang aking lola, and ang aking kapatid, tita, at ang aking tito, at my baby boy. Malapit na mag-Christmas. 11:58 na. Ay.
Ala. Dito pala ako sa nagpipicture.
Ouch! The shadow.
1, 2, 3.
Ano na gagawin natin?
Wala.
Kakain. Kala po natin tayo ay kakain na. Pero ang nangyayari ay
Welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
biglat.
Ah, smile.
Ito ba yung sa atin?
Nice.
Okay, support
Support
local
the business.
brand.